Hi, welcome people. Just new year quick job. What we got? We got the old PD. It's just old Polo 2003, 1.9 PD engine fitted in the lot of VWs, Audis, and everything. Skoda VRS. Some people just doing that funny Fabias and everything, which they push the maximum of them. But anyway, it's a common problem with them. Is can develop misfiring. Usually through the scanner, you can read as a like electric problem in the injector circuit, and most of cases what we have here in our place, that was faulty, that wiring loom. It's actually wiring loom. It's going to injector. Is a plug on the side. It's not bad job to do. Everyone can do it. You know what I mean? Bit tricky with EGR valve here, but yeah, they only does like that. Genuine part from local VW or TPS, around 140, 150 quid, included VAT. If you had a bit of time, which we don't have today, you can get one online, Phoebe one, which is like actually good replacement. I can just say we used that Phoebe before, and that is like around the 65, 70 quid. Average working time on this one, let's say 2-3 hours if you want to just price it up. Like I say, not bad job to do, and don't take really a lot of time to do it. So everyone can just do it by themselves, you know what I mean. Also, when we're doing this one, we always put, you see, is the rocket cover out. We put a new rocket cover. So that's it really. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye.